Aquascapers, welcome back to Aquascape Creations. Today we have an exciting new project for you which features a rock waterfall. So our first step is to dig the basin, as well as add the underlayment and some liner along with Aquablox, which creates an empty void for a water reservoir and recirculates into the water feature. Here is where we're transferring the big boulder that we're going to work with today, and as we can see, we barely make it through that gate, but we're pros at this, so it's fine. Now that we have our centerpiece placed down, we can begin working on it. So here we're going to core drill our boulder in order to install our pipe for the water to flow. Since we're working with a larger boulder, we'll be using sturdy straps to lift them. We're going to wrap these around the boulder, creating a makeshift harness. This not only aids in lifting, but also allows us to position the boulder exactly where we want it to be over the tube. This part of the process takes some time and requires a lot of patience and precision when doing so. As soon as we successfully installed our boulder into the pipe, we can now start the fun part, which is installing all the finishing details in order to make this waterfall a dream come true. And there you have it, folks, another Aquascape creation completed. I absolutely love how this project came out. This simple yet sleek and elegant water feature truly transforms this space into a peaceful retreat, even bringing an auditory delight into your very own backyard. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this project just as much as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Aquascape creations coming soon. Until then.